So what I'm going to do right now, not Tarago related, but still my wheel, I've got a nail in there, and I've ran it a few times with the tyre getting flat, and you can see and it's getting that worn mark there, and I've taken it off and chucked a couple of rims on the van in the meantime, and I'm going to fix this today. And as you can see, there's a nail on my wheel there. Now for $4 I bought this kit from China, and I actually saw a better kit in Victoria after I got this for $20, and it has all this, and I think it has 15 of these guys here. So I'll be buying that kit from Victoria next time. But it's handy to carry stuff like this in the car. If you get a flat tyre, you can find the problem with it, like just maybe you got a screw or a nail in your tyre. You can do and repair yourself, whether it be on the side of the road or if you could make it home, whatever. And it takes only a couple of minutes to do. So I'll just show you the first step. Okay, so first of all you need to get the nail or screw out, and you grab this tool here, you push her in. You need to basically drill the hole a little bit bigger, like so. It's a bit difficult to do this. Hang on, I'll just pause this for a second. Okay, it's difficult to do trying to. I don't have three hands. So what you want to do is you want to get one of these. I don't know what you call them. Yeah, just these rubber sticky things. You want to get the glue that they call the rubber solution. You want to film, not a lot, just enough to run along there. Again, I have to put the camera down for a second, so I'll do that. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the rubber solution, ran it along both sides, and what you want to do is push it about halfway in, like so. A bit more. And then pull the tool back out, and there you have it. And see, the tool itself has an opening on the end, so it doesn't pull it back up. And now that there will seal the hole, and it will basically become like looking like I've got chewing gum on the tyre or something, and it's the hole fixed. So it's handy to have the kit in the car. If something happens, you can fix it up yourself, and the job's done. And I always carry a little 12-volt pump in the car with me anyway, so that's also handy. Just a tiny little one, or a foot pump or something. You just never know when you might need it, and they're not too big, they don't get in the way. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Till the next video. Cheers.